Here I have KARBONN Aura and let me show you top tricks on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you the time switcher. So here let's open the settings, then let's scroll down and here you should find timer switch machine. As you can see here, you can enable, for example, power on and power off, and if you tap on power on, you can, for example, choose the exact date and time. So you can, for example, switch on your device every day at 8 AM, tap OK, let's tap done. You can do the same thing with power off, so you can, for example, switch off your phone every day at 10 PM. Let's tap OK and done. Alright, so this is the timer switch machine, really useful thing. Now let's go back and let me show you the second trick, so the magnification. Let's here open the list of all settings, then scroll down, choose accessibility, select magnification gesture and let's enable this switcher. Now if you would like to magnify things, let's triple tap on the screen and you can magnify your screen. Here you can also change the position by using two fingers. If you would like to disable this mode, let's use the triple tap again and here you can disable the magnification by using the same switcher. Alright, let's go back and let me show you the advanced color mode. Here in accessibility, let's scroll down and choose color correction. So you can here enable the color correction and you can use one of the correction mode. It could be red, green, blue, yellow. Here you can also go back and you can enable the color inversion. This is experimental mode, but it looks really cool if you enable this mode. Alright, let me show you the next trick. So the battery saver. If you would like to save your battery, let's open the upper bar twice and tap here on the battery icon. Here you've got the battery statistics, the battery usage. If you would like to enable the battery saver, let's use more key and select battery saver. Here you can enable battery saver and you can also turn on automatically battery saver when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. Alright, let me show you the last trick, so the safe mode. If you would like to enter the safe mode, let's just simply press power key. Let's hold down on power off and the following screen should pop up. Tap OK to reboot to safe mode and let's wait a few seconds. Alright, as you can see, the safe mode pops up, so you can use your device in a safe mode, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to disable this safe mode, let's press power key and tap restart, tap OK to confirm it, wait a few seconds. And that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.